Here, see so though, Jesus. Guys, and welcome to another video. So this is before the storm, the calm before the storm. I had no updates whether or not I was going to be able to leave work early today. We're normally finished at 5. We get one email. I was having lunch at that time, as you guys would have seen. 12:29 the email mark, so we can leave 12:30. So basically everybody just pop. I mean, I wasn't in the midst of it as I was having my lunch, and I had to wait on a ride. As you see, Orin is the ride that got for me today. Yeah, and we're going to show you a little bit of the road leading up to the storm. God know, I pray that everything will be fine. The storm category 5 at the moment, same way. My ear say wind speeds pick up from 165 miles per hour. Me know I hear how much it if it passed that. And yeah, this place is very sunshiny, bright, no clouds, not reach yet. Yeah, you know, see that really thunder or cloud storm. What you call that? Storm cloud. People forgive me, I'm talking. Yes, it's an idiot. Next time we're gonna do this. But yeah, I'm gonna show you the road and see. I think we're gonna stop at the supermarket. I want to get some cash. I'm gonna stop at one of my bank provider, and Orin wants to get gas in the car as well. So that's our rounds before we make it our way home. Here the police siren them not stop me up nice, man. Yeah, the parking light's full, so my see inside is parked. Let's find out. You tell about it? Let's find out. Yeah, so after this we just have one stop at the gas station, which is probably Ross. Mama nearly dead, Lord God. Yeah. Me bumbo. So he never realized this. How are they going for the carrier? No, sir. Like the storm reach him. And here is the supermarket. As expected. Right here, see so though, Jesus. We're committing to this? In that abandoned trip?
I'm left more left.
What's that?
Come on.
We can. A small back home. Yeah, mommy buy egg. I bleed so. So let's go. Plastic cup actually are finished. The plastic cups actually are finished. Oh, so there is no plates. There's legit no plates. No forks. Oh, bread and what crackers for there? You go back for the baking powder. Go on the other side there. Alright, so we're just done with the inside of the supermarket. It never so bad, it never miserable, but we spent some time in there for the few items that we picked up. Right now we're heading to the gas station. I think this is our last stop, and then we're just going home. Riyadh. Yes. Can show people the money. Yeah. And then, yeah, I guess we'll just ride out the storm.
Ride out your storm. Why, people? May the Lord be with us.
Yeah.
Not uno, you know, us. God, boy. Beryl does spare nothing. Let's see if it there. Such is life.
We can't do nothing about it, you know. Just prepare on our end, pray and leave it to God, because there's nothing more that we literally can do. Like, we can't just stamp say bye-bye. We can't fly out, we can't do anything.
Well, you can't fly out. We can't.
Oh, Orin, which airport have work now? Which airline, which airplane? Oh, have 50 grand.
Mm-hmm. And you know them on social media.
People that fly out? Jesus, Orin.
Wow, you frightened me.
Can you go out on the car?
Me see the car, me no out nowhere.
Yeah, but the man swing, you go close to the car.
Talking about that. Shaman.
Anyways, people, we know she gas station. The professional whiner.
Anyways, come. Don't need plan. Me have gas to take you.
Alright people, so it is literally after, it's 6 a.m, probably a couple minutes after 6. I wanted to video how the place stayed last night. The night was very still, not never that go on much, but for sure like the different counts before the storm. They said from last night we'd have started to get scattered showed, which evidently in the car you can see that we did. Rain because we would no rain a park and the storm not come. I never tell him say I come at that hour. Never tell him some storm I come at 2 a.m. I told him that we're going to start getting some scattered shower, which we did. The place is barely damped, but I think at around 2 or 1 p.m. in the afternoon, basically, that's when we're supposed to start having the tight bands around the eye come upon us. And let's see how the place is. Right now, it's still very calm. It's cool. It's nice, but for how long is this gonna last for? That yeah, somebody left on them too.
No, I'm probably just overflow the flopper the bar. What is I'm on the my sister's very fine.
What for the house alone? I just had to get escape. Me have a escape. Hi puppy. If you stay away from Wednesday. Watch there. Watch her. Watch her.
Hello. Is that female?
Yes, a female. Come, where is it? Sit. Come, sit, wait, sit. She too much thing I go on for you. Come. You need some training, yes? Too much thing I go on.
Just hang up, pull up.
So this is a emergency shelter. See sign right there, so the red sign down there, so.
Oh, okay, then put the sign on. it's outside from it.
I just shelter have
Oh,
Miss I look at the
put it
cinder
on.
blocks. And then you have the disaster emergency shelter.
Come on, go there and have a close. Oh, the man secured everything.
You do not? They're securing it? They're securing the windows. Taking which part is the chop on up on the side of the window? All of these side posts are concrete still, you know, this not bad. Ah, here's the breeze, people. People put tarpaulin over them car and everything. People carry them off just off your best. Get Wednesday out of the mud, yeah.
Oh man, you just happy to get outside.
The outside, you not get to go outside for now. Alright, people, the breeze start. People in my emergency shelter are left out.
Where is all those have to lose
Oh, them they will go up with through. So you will start pick up there. Yes, Jesus. Yes, Jesus. Oh, I feel Beryl. Oh, Jesus. Wednesday, Jesus Christ. But you know, I'm not seeing me, no. Hey, hummingbird. I'm full up him cut, you know. Hummingbird come back. Him there, I see him there. Him come back, people. When you're hungry. He must stack right up. Apparently, if you flower taste the best, you go and have to come back. Jesus, and here is the start. After this time. Yes, man. Yes. Hot Marty getting a bed. Alright, so it's 11:38. A little rain coming down. A little bit of breeze, nothing serious. Make it stay. Alright, people. So, Beryl look like they finally, or she finally make the same. Touchdown proper up on the L. Proper touchdown right here. So light is gone, but still daylight, so it don't seem so bad. Or in a storm watch. We just don't cover everything because the light gone. Yeah, so this is taking the breeze. Never finish come the other side of my ear.
Beryl just come. Beryl.
I'm gonna put my hair. Yeah. Them truck.
Where is it?
Him also crack the window,
Crack
but I
it
said the
on the
crack
side,
already.
so,
Yeah, but them the crack already, see it there.
No, yes, I did that wait, but that's
Or you push me.
This is with the tree.
So you can hear the rain. It's after 8. It's 8. What time is it? It's 8:26 p.m. There is no light. I'm using a flashlight. I had downloaded a few Netflix shows. This one is, I think, A Family Affair. And I ate little beef for the night. We kind of were sleeping throughout the day. So, yeah, I don't even know what to say. Like, you know, something is so wrong with me. I legit was about to go up on the computer and say, oh, let me sign in on my work email. I see me getting no updates for the phone. I know, right? Oh, Jesus Christ. Well, you know who else is definitely staying home?
No light, no work, no light, no school. Come, fix your body, lay down under my fan.
Me feel awful. What am I doing? I'm not doing anything right now. I don't want to feel like I'm just getting ahead because my mother slept with a celebrity.
Celebrity? She didn't sleep with a celebrity. That's derogatory. Okay, I'm a movie star. She slept with a movie star.
Time check. It is 9:52, and I believe the eye kind of passed. There was a sense of, there was a calm. You heard nothing. I know this at the back at the storm, like here in our shore. Earlier we got breeze. Now it's rain, lightning. It's probably a lightning storm. Here the rain. Okay, so it is 5:30 a.m. the next morning after Mrs. Beryl has passed. I'm gonna look under the wall to see what she left in our paths. Yeah, in a little destruction, in little things, but things seem to be quite good. I don't see excessive flooding. I don't really see excessive damage, and there's a big ass car dropped in front of me though, but everything intact. We still don't have any light, but yeah, power bank. I used to charge that phone right now. What did I do? Yes, we have a cord like right here. So our probably showed it from the front. See, tie up in the bush to back side. Yeah, the road is clean, no? It's like a tree bend right there, so, but it's not fully uprooted. And people are already out. Wow, come on, go. I like mango them up on the ground. Serving. Everything seems good. Those cards are already down. Everything's cool. Everything is Gucci. I love that.
Tree then turn up. That one they pop down.
Which tree?
See one drop down there.
Oh.
The light post them.
Oh. Oh no, you don't understand what leaves. See this. Oh, somebody wire there. Ah, Jesus, Irene. Oh. Please, babe.
That tree that is cut, you know, because the tree them will tangle up in the wire.
Yeah, from day one.
That's why they like go up, you know, because you see the, up at the GPS current,
I see it lean it down there.
the tree, yeah, I tree pull it, man.
So, who will not down the tree?
So, you know, so them people I know after if they might drive up or come there, so.
Okay, baby.
The trees are supposed to come. Are the tree will pull it, you know? Not like these are the tree pull it, you know?
Yeah. Huh?
Alright, you see like how it's because that anchor.
Yeah.
So basically that the anchor, cause the tree drop on it, make it pull it, lean it.
And then this I want something to pull in the wooden one.
It's not breaking off, it just lean it.
I get what you're saying, mother.
Cause the tree drop on that way. They use that to anchor it. Yeah, it drop on it.
Some thumbnail pictures. What is our one here? You must cuss a Beryl what this, you know. And now come nowhere near Beryl work. No, sir. Beryl. You now come nowhere near Beryl work, but Beryl what this. You should have turned up for her and said Beryl not do nothing. So if this itch up here, so it's now moving no further because Beryl is a weak girl.
Or you never come look.
Are you not afraid? Are you not going to be afraid of pussy here? Oh, please. Oh, wow, Ori. I'm more now walk like a shaka. You said earthquake come.
So I know earthquake now. Because if Ori have that thing caught.
I know busy boy.
And when I said, mother, be careful. If you like post me to drop, I think it's going to drop.
I said it. I will not go there.
Oh, please. Or you never said that. You never said that. You never said that, baby. You said, no, no, life was drop on me. And that's what you said.
Exactly. So no, here, me say that I will not still go.
I'm not look for Orion because if that's something that's supposed to drop.
I know stuff that you know about stuff.
Something wrong with the two of you, no? You don't want to go live in the middle of nowhere.
I walk up and down with
Ah, Jesus. Orion wants to house step on the ground. Orion wants to dead body. Wants to push the on what phone line. No, sir, that Orion wants to see.
No, I told her.
You know which modern society want to do?
It's a end of give birth.
Well, Orion leave my any more time conversation. Come, you know, who in my chat say? Oh, them where they loose stone. Shelter look empty though. I say nobody no run out with it.
So while the rain fall, it the last time the rain fall, the fan
Mind them fall wires and look up things. We don't know what they are.
So because I know what they are. And as I tell you, the electricity wire are at the very top.
I get it, Mom, but you still want to be safe.
These are cable wires. Let's see where you can't tell.
Should have shocked you.
Yes, you have what's here.
I really know. We're still up low. So this is after the storm.
my floor.
There's a few sketch trees here and there have fallen. Alright, I'm just get back data while I go and get some Miss Scotland message. I wonder if I threw a weed in our house so I did not reach me, or if it just flow up and just fix themselves. But hold on, or in a laugh. Let me see where my laugh off. Here or in a talk about it look like a man go up there and plug them some of their house.
Oh, them wire something there. Oh.
You made it on?
Yeah, she want this and she take out the internet.
And she needs plug them.
Me get data. Data start working.
She must get data because she want this.
Me not feel the same sentiment.
And I chat said, him telling sister, say, yeah, you have experienced your first time, you know. I said, if you call her apologize, because I'm fooling.
Or you know, we're living in a different type of society. We are much more developed. Exactly.
The house in them is strong. That was Gilbert then. That was Gilbert then. The people them
Weren't prepared. Exactly, people weren't prepared. We had a different.
So Gilbert never bad there.
No.
I just see place never develop.
But that's what I'm trying to tell you, Orion.
No, Gilbert came through the island. This never come through the island. It just go underneath.
You should have come.
Orion, stop the foolishness, because you have a different sentiment. Very wicked. You're a wicked girl. You have a different sentiment.
Well, when
It's dark coming in the bush,
the
fam.
internet come back, because
Yeah?
China say massive people as they are foolish.
Let me enjoy my next. Well, Beryl, she live up in the backyard. A very small one, this thing, you know. What's that?
The light post them.
Oh, like was them lean over yourself.
And the ocean still rough, watch them.
Yeah, okay. Watch it.
So them drive.
Tree I been assessing the damages. Man, the pose them down. See, it's still rough, man. You can feel the sea breeze.
Light wire, why don't you throw this?
You sure is it? But the sun come up on the road, people. Please look so. Look at the place.
And them cars are like this, because they come for the tree last. So the one is the last.
Oh, as it's over too. Tree them up as a bed. Look how it's so still. Mighty. And I think so somebody a weed walking. On the road still.
Crabbing really.
Crab hunter them out.
The crab they wash this.
How are them crab is supposed to dead?
Some put on the blows, they're crab, man.
Mighty. Look how the road still. Look how the road still. Look how the road still. Why are them down? That's why we don't have no light. Jesus. Why are them down? People them in the bush. Why is them down? Papa, watch it. Papa, no one up here, sir. Papa, up here, sir. Oh. There were some new developments coming. Oh, let's see how they manage if the area flood out bad.
When them build upon, so,
Yeah, it's supposed to go, yes, sir.
you know, flood. So your water will catch up.
Of course, our river is right here, so no people.
Yes.
Proper pond.
I'm glad over this there, because normally to line at the road. That sign
Watch out, Jesus, look how it's full.
What's the sign of it?
Bend down with it. Proper river, you know? This is supposed to be dry land. Look all the developments there.
Them are going to fix up.
Look all the developments there.
drainage now dead ahead, so naturally.
For the houses. House them look like them a mildew to backside.
Winds.
Ah boy.
But yeah, at least look at drainage when them make our
Up I mean up at the top looks dry I guess.
no damage not to the house. No belly good, no belly good.
And look at the church. Proper floodings. Wow, this church always flooding now. It always flood. The church wants some deliverance for sure. Look at right here.
And them do this, and them chop the tree.
Look at it.
And the capsule.
Right, that stoplight here working. I never there before the storm, you know. No, but me say it wasn't working before.
Beryl come fix it, then see the electrician work when she come up.
Come back with the way your man chuck up some sense.
It look like somebody go to plug out the wire.
Alright, we want to see how this community fared out. Come on, my window, alright? And you're not looking too shabby. When I see no bending wires, when I see a light post drop. Not come off a small damage. There's a few little scattered wires leaning about the place, but nothing so bad. It was our house where the wire got entangled up in it. Sorry, never catch that. So. Yeah, but the community here seems fine. Alright, we'll go on tire shop now. One of the back wheel them kind of look a bit soft, so we're going to see if we can find an open tire shop. If not, make it stay to the next day. Lean over. Let me see. Oh, so my sign them fall. I'm watching Beryl just there on last night. Jesus. This light is not working. Approaching with caution. Oh, church stay, church dry.
Yep.
Church good man.
Yeah,
But the place seems fairly woo. The place Portmore stand up very well.
Yes, I know.
There's people there, man. But them board it up. Is good. Is that for the burger? I mean, I work for my food too. Hello. Alright, so update. Today is July 7th. And we're still without lights, and we don't have water. So we have no idea at this point when light and water is coming back. Most of the communities, I guess, within Portmore have gotten light and water to my knowledge. Well, I don't know about water. A lot are still without water, but light they have gotten majority of them. But we still in the wilderness. So basically, we have a tank, but we need a pump to pump the water around the house. An electric pump, which we don't have electricity, so basically it just feels like we're without every regular normal advancement that make life simple. So We have access to family that has lights, so we've been going down there often to kind of power up, so charge up the laptop, you know, power banks, charging phones, but that can only last for how long, so we have to be using everything gingerly. Today is Sunday, so we weren't able to really do our regular washing things, so we're going, I mean, I have quite a bit of work clothes, so I can kind of just, as I said, we have a family that has electricity that we can probably bounce off of, but I do have a few work clothes. I think I just need to find one more bottom, which I can, and probably I need to iron 2 tops or something like that, but yeah, I wanted to wash my hair. There's a few things that I need to do. We're hoping that light can come back before Monday, but I'm not really have no hope. So whenever it come back, but right now that is our reality. We don't have any running water. We have water in the tank, so we can get to access to water, but we don't have any running water. No electricity, nothing. We're still in the wilderness, and today is Sunday, and like gone from Wednesday. Water gone from Thursday night. Yes, Thursday night, water gone. So this is the effects of Miss Beryl left way in the wilderness, the dark ages for a while. Yeah, so we are feeling the Gilbert effect up here. So other people, some people did have light all the way through and everything. We never have that luxury there, so we're still waiting. But basically, I'm gonna try to finish edit off this video. If anything, I can go. My data, I noticed that my data started to work in and out. It's not as how it should be, you know, fast and everything. I'm kind of like catch a phone here and there sometimes, but I'm getting access to it here and there. We didn't have that at all, so more than likely I'm still gonna have to go down, because I noticed that even when I drive out to the main, I have access to my data itself. It's just that up here, so itself cut off. So I'm gonna try edit this video and bring it up. So I think I'm gonna close out the video like this. So thank you so much for watching. I know this probably should be a long one, but that's our current experience. If before this video is uploaded, light and water is back, I'll include it at the end, but as of right now, we're still in the dark. No light, none. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. Oh, remember to like, comment, subscribe, please guys, and watch that.